Well, good afternoon. This is Rich, and the market's reacting right out of the gate this morning to the sharply higher dollar. The dollar higher for a couple of reasons. Number one was another break in the euro. Still a lack of confidence that the Europeans are going to get their situation settled or fixed, and that led to liquidation or selling in the euro, buying therefore in the dollar. And the other thing was the rally in the yen today. The Japanese government announcing that, the drop in the yen. The Japanese government announcing that plans to try to depress the value of the yen, which has rallied significantly over the last 3 years relative to the dollar. And so pressure on the euro, pressure on the yen did elevate the dollar up over 1.4 points here today. Big jump. And really retraced the losses that we saw in the dollar at the end of last week. And that had all the commodity markets and stocks in negative numbers today. Although I guess when it comes right down to it, maybe the corn soybean numbers not as negative as what they could have been. Crude oil as well, not down as hard as it could have been given the rise in the dollar. We did see corn end up 8 cents lower on the December contract at 647. The low was down another 9 below that, 17 lower on the day. So we really did come back quite a bit from the lows. March corn down 8 cents at 659. November soybeans closed down 9.5 at 1207.5. Their low was another 14 cents below that. So again, they came back as well here at the close. January beans down 8 3/4 at 1217 1/4. December cotton down 208 at 102.29. November rice down 10 points at 1664. The wheat market was down and stayed down most of the day, not too far above its lows. December wheat down 16 1/4 in Chicago at 628 1/4. December Kansas City down 13 cents at 725, and December Minneapolis down 11 3/4 at 908 3/4. Crude oil only ended up down 62 cents now at 92.70. Gold down $29 an ounce at 17.18. The Dow down 271 points at 11,897. We do have a crop report a week from Wednesday. USDA will have its November crop report out. This coming Wednesday morning, Informa Commodities will release its expectations for that report. Many of the other analysts will release their numbers as well this week. So it'll be interesting to see us trade fundamentals for a while rather than trading what's going on in the outside markets. We'll really have some meat to dig into in the markets over the next few days. Have a good night. We'll talk to you tomorrow.